This is the Givi radiator guard for the Triumph Trident 660 from 2021 and up. You can find this radiator guard at accessoryinternational.com. This is a Givi radiator guard for the Triumph Trident 660. Now this radiator guard is made of a sturdy stainless steel construction and is going to really help protect your radiator while still keeping it cool because of this mesh construction. The mesh is going to promote airflow while also keeping the radiator guard protected from any rocks or debris that you may be picking up during your rides. The radiator guard features a black powder coated finish to give you an extra layer of protection against the elements and corrosion, and it features a direct bolt-on installation to make for a quick and easy install right onto your Triumph Trident. The radiator guard is designed and made in Italy, and you can find this at accessoryinternational.com. If you found any value in this video today, we ask that you please give us a like and subscribe so that we can continue putting out this free content for you to learn about all of the newest products on the market. Thanks again for tuning in. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into our video today. We're a family-owned business that was established in 1998 out of Miami, Florida. If you have any questions on the product review that you've just seen, feel free to give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in.